Welcome to another video. We will be dealing with how to set up cash on delivery on Ecommerce. In this video, first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Ecommerce, click on Settings. Head over to Payment. Columns. Then, activate the toggle on cash on delivery, then save changes. So, we are going to test how it works now. By trying to purchasing a product. Add to cart, then view cart. Proceed to checkout. So, you can see the indication of cash on delivery on the payment page. Then place order. From there, you can see the payment method showing cash on delivery, indicating that the order was made through cash on delivery. So, now, we are going to see how we can expand on this cash on delivery method. So head over to Plugin, click Add Plugin. It would aid us to expand the scope of the cash on delivery. So, type in Smart Cod. When it comes, click Ecommerce Smart Cod. Click Install Now. Then, click Activate. With the activation of the plugin, we are going to use the plugin to expand the cash on delivery. So, head over again to Ecommerce on the WordPress dashboard. Go to Settings. Then click Payments. On the right side on the cash on delivery, click Manage. So, this is the settings of the plugin, so the first that we would do is to put an amount that is greater or equal. Click Savings. This amount of we just added. Anybody that orders 6,000 and above. Any item that goes for 6,000 and above would trigger cash on delivery. So this product sells now for 6,000. So, we are going to see how it works. As this product cost 6,000. Proceed to checkout, it would indicate cash on delivery, because the product is 6,000. So, anybody that orders 6,000 and above, cash on delivery would display on the checkout page as a payment method. Now, this product now is below 6,000 Naira. You would see that, because it is below 6,000 Naira, the cash on delivery would not display on the checkout page. Proceed to checkout. You can see there is no cash on delivery, because the product is below 6,000. That Smart Cod plugin made it possible. So, we are going to input a message that would show a customer that, to trigger cash on delivery, you have to order a particular amount. So, from this cod column enter a message that reads, please make an order more than 6,000. To get cash on delivery, that is the message that we just entered in the column. So, we are going to test it again. This the first polo we initially selected. It is 4,000. Head over to the checkout page. You can see now, there is a new message display, that reads, please, make an order above 6,000 to get cash on delivery payment. So, head over again the cash on delivery settings page. So, we are going to set up another notification that this plugin allows us to do for cash on delivery. First click Enable. So, we are going to restrict the cash on delivery to certain states. So, states that are not added for the cash on delivery will not display cash on delivery on the checkout page. The example here, we're going to use two Nigerian states Edo and Delta. Edo and Delta have been added for cash on delivery. After that, click Save Changes. As you can see. Let us test it. Notice Edo. From the checkout page, you can see we have chosen the unique degree. A kitty, because it is not enabled for cash on delivery, it did not display. Now, we are using Delta NPW, and the cash on delivery displays. So, that's how the plugin THAS enabled us to restrict cash on delivery to certain states. So, we are going to set up another notification with the plugin. This time around. If you want an extra fee for the cash on delivery, this plugin enables you to add such a fee. Here we have added an extra fee for cash on delivery. Click Save Changes. So, we are going to test it now. So, if you refresh now from the order page, you can see the extra fee of 1,000 is now displaying on the checkout page. So, we head over to the plugin settings again to set up another notification that would expand the scope of the cash on delivery on the site. So, scroll down. So, we are going to restrict cash on delivery to specific products. So, this plugin also enables you to restrict cash on delivery to specific product. So we are choosing the product we are going to use. As an example, so, this is one of several features of this plugin. We have chosen the product now that is strictly enabled for cash on delivery. After, click Save Changes. So, we are going to test it now. This particular product that we have chosen. Now that it has been enabled, we are going to test it. So, head over now. So, this is the polo that we are test it. We are adding it to cart. View cart. Then proceed to checkout. So, you can see cash on delivery for this particular product, because we added it to cash on delivery. So this is another product we are testing, it is not enabled for cash on delivery. It is not enabled for cash on delivery. So, we are going to see now, that cash on delivery would not display. Proceed to checkout. So, you can see that, cash on delivery is not displayed, as the product is not enabled for cash on delivery. So, that's all. This is how you can set up cash on delivery on your e-commerce store and also to expand its scope. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.